Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. So I'm here to give you your weekend assignment. Okay, so moms are so special for us. They gave us birth, they take care of us in each and every step of our life. है ना? So now on Sunday, since it's a Mother's Day, so you will have to make your mom feel special. How can you do that? You can do that with the help of your fathers. Ask your dads to help you because moms do so much for your dad also. So now it's turn of both of you to show that how special she is for you. So what you have to do with the help of your dad, you have to prepare a breakfast, a Sunday breakfast for your mom on Mother's Day. It's very simple, you can make a sandwich and a lemonade. So how you are going to make it? Take a sandwich bread and you can ask dad to cut the cucumbers and onion and tomatoes, and then you can apply the butter on the bread, okay? And then you can place the vegetables and apply another bread on the top of it. So this way your sandwich is prepared. And for making the lemonade, you have to take a glass full of water, take half lemon, put inside squeeze the lemon into the water, and you can put some sugar in it, and if you want you can put some little bit of salt also in it. Okay, this way your lemonade will also be prepared. And you remember we made a card for your mom. In online classes, ma'am helped you to make a card. So you can place that card along with the breakfast and give it to your mom and tell your mom that how special she is. Give her a big hug and wish her Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful ma'am from the team NovyNest. Thank you so much.